this is my grapes. Your grapes. Show to Tita Mary your grapes. Up, up, up. Look up. Yeah, the fruits, Tita Mary. This is Jaden's grapes. Wow, ang dami oh. You give that to Tita Mary? Huh? That's too small. Wow. Wow. Say, Tita Mary, this is my grapes. Ayun, ang dami oh. Dami. Dami grapes. What grapes is this? Come on. We show to Tita Mary. What kind of grapes is this? I said, this is the grapes, Tita Mary. Can you see? Yeah, lollipop. Okay. It's a lollipop grapes. And show to Ate Tita Mary the artichoke. 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 Pero ano na?
Artichoke.
Okay.